Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is measurement. I hope kids you have followed my last video where we have discussed the subtraction of different units. Today we are going to discuss multiplication of different units. The main objective of today's learning is to understand how to multiply the different units. So kids, let us take some examples and understand the topic. Now kids, let us do the sum of multiplication. Let us see the first example. Multiply 4 kiloliter 750 liter by 4. It is written kiloliter and liter. That means we have to write the units of capacity. So let us first write all the units of capacity. Kids, we will start writing all the units after leaving 3 boxes from the margin. So first unit is kiloliter, then hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, and then milliliter. Now, let us arrange the number. Now it is written 4 kiloliter 750 liter. So we will start writing from the liters place but backwards. So in the liters place, first of all we will write 0, then 5, then 7 and then 4 under kiloliters place. Now we have to multiply it by 4. So just below 4 in the kiloliters place, we will put the multiplication sign, and in the liters place just below 0, we will write 4. Now let us do the sum of multiplication. Kids, since we have to multiply by 4, we must know the table of 4. So let us start multiplying from the right hand side from the liters place. 4 zeros are. Anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. So 4 zeros are 0. Next, 4 fives are. Let us pick the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So 2 we will write up as carry and 0 down. Next number 4 sevens are. So 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 2 is 29, 30. So again we will write 3 up and 0 down. Next number is 4 fours are. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 3 is 17, 18, 19. So we will write over here 1, 9, 19. Now let us write the answer. As you can see, 19 is coming under kiloliters place. So it is 19 kiloliter, and 000 is coming under liters place. So it is 000 liter. So let us write the answer. 19 kiloliter. Now it is written 000 liter. You can write 000 liter, or else you can leave out because 0 means nothing. It is 19 kiloliter is the answer. Or you can simply write 19 kiloliter 000 liter. You can write it in either way. Now kids, let us take the next example. Multiply 5 kilogram 803 gram by 7. It is written kilogram and gram. That means we have to write the different units of mass. Again over here we will leave 3 boxes for kilogram because more than one digit can come in the kilograms place. So we will write over here kilogram, then hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and then milligram. Now let us arrange the numbers. Now it is written 803 gram. That means we will start writing from the grams place but backwards. So under grams place 3, 0, 8 and then 5. Now we have to multiply it by 7. So under 5 we will put the multiplication sign and under 3 we will write 7. Now let us multiply. Kids, since we have to multiply it by 7, we must know the table of 7. 7 threes are. Let us speak the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So we will write 2 up as carry and 1 down. Next is 7 zeros are. 7 zeros are 0. Plus 2 is 2. Next 7 eights are. Let us pick the table of 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. So 5 we will give as carry and 6 we will write down. 7 fives are 35. So 35 plus 5 is how much? Let us count 5 after 35. That is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we will write over here 40. So what is the answer? 40 is coming under kilograms place. So it is 40 kilogram. And 621 is coming under grams place. So it is 621 gram. So answer 40 kilogram and 621 gram. Now kids, let us discuss the story sums of multiplication. A cycle goes 8 kilometer 560 meter in 1 hour. How far will it go in 5 hours? Kids, whenever we are doing the story sums, we have to look for two things. That is, what is the information given to us and what we have to find out from that given information. So, what is the information given to us? A cycle goes 8 kilometer 560 meter in 1 hour. And what we have to find out? How far will it go in 5 hours? Kids, you must remember, whenever we have to find the more of something, we have to do the sum of multiplication. Now let us solve the sum on our copy. Now kids, let us solve the story sum. Let us read the question one more time. A cycle goes 8 kilometer 560 meter in 1 hour. How far will it go in 5 hours? It is a sum of multiplication, so we have to first of all draw the column and then write the statements. So we will make the column in this way, and over here we will write hour and this side we will write distance. So, in 1 hour, the cycle goes 8 kilometer and 560 meter. So, 1 hour, 5 kilometer, 560 meter. And we have to find out the cycle goes how far in 5 hours. So, we will write over here 5. Then we will put a question mark, more, multiply. Now let us write the statements. So first statement will be if in 1 hour, comma, distance is equal to 5 kilometer 560 meter, then in 5 hours distance is equal to question mark more multiply. Now let us do the sum of multiplication. Kids, since it is written in kilometer and meter, that means we have to write all the units of length. So let us start writing the units of length. We will leave 3 boxes from the margin, and first unit is kilometer, then hectameter, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and then millimeter. Now let us arrange the number. It is written 560 meter, so we will start writing from the meters place but backwards. So it will be 0, 6, 5, 8. We have to multiply it by 5 because we have to find out the distance covered in 5 hours. So we will put the multiplication sign just below 8 in the kilometers place, and we will write 5 just below 0. Now let us multiply. We have to multiply it by 5, so we must know the table of 5. Let us start multiplying from the right side. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6. Now let us speak the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So we will write over here 3 as carry and 0 down. Next is 5 fives are. 5 fives are 25 plus 3, 26, 27, 28. So we will write 2 up as carry and 8 down. Now 5 eights are. 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. So we will write over here 42. Now what is the answer? 42 is coming under kilometers place. That means 42 kilometer, and 800 is coming under meters place. So 800 meter. So answer is 42 kilometer and 800 meter. Now kids, let's recall what we have learnt today. We have discussed how to multiply the different units. For that, we have followed some steps. Step 1 is to make the table of the different units. Step 2 is to arrange the numbers according to the units. Step 3 is to multiply the given numbers. And step 4 is to write the answer at the end. I hope kids, you have understood how to multiply the different units. Now complete the homework that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.